today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious blueberry and banana collagen bread. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 of our Happy Way products. So I'm going to be using our banana bread mix as well as the flavour-free collagen beauty sticks. So you'll just need 1 of those. And then you're just going to need all the ingredients that are listed on the back of the banana bread. So that includes your bananas, your coconut oil, your eggs, your oat milk, and then I've also got 1 cup of frozen blueberries here that I'm going to fold through the mix. Now it's really easy to make. All you need to do is follow the instructions. So basically make your banana bread and then fold through your berries, and then we're going to add that into an oven that's been preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, and that'll cook for about 45 minutes or until it's nice and golden on the top.